But you guys can understand bahasa Melayu sikit-sikit kan? Ya, betul. But I can't understand bahasa Indonesia. I try my best. All right? Yeah. So we have a lot of like international participants here. So we will be primarily using English. But if you need any like translation of anything, just let me know that I will try my best to help you as well. All right? So today's event is not only for esports competitions. We also have our panelists. If you guys notice, we have some key opinion leaders from the crypto, from Indonesia, from Bali, from Jakarta, as well as some foreign country as well, to share their insight. All right. Anyone here bought their Bitcoin? Anyone here bought their Bitcoin? Raise up your hand. Anyone bought their Bitcoin? Raise up your hand. Okay. Okay. Good. Anyone is thinking here whether should I buy Bitcoin now? Raise up your hand. Don't worry. I'm not the key opinion leader. Today I'm your MC, I'm your moderator. I will pass these questions to the leaders later. Or best, you can ask the CEO, all right? The CEO will actually go out to the stage later to give us some speech like why he actually wanted to build Profirm. So Matthew McGregor is our FundedXYZ CEO. The best thing is he's actually coming up from a trader background. It's a platform built by trader for the traders, right? If you're not traders today, don't worry. The moment you walk out from this room, congratulations yourself. You make the first step as a trader, all right? Just be friendly. Any questions? If there's anything that you want to ask, look for people with FundedXYZ t-shirt on the logo on their chest, all right? Those are the people who are able to help you in terms of operation, in terms of the rules and everything else. All right? So have fun, enjoy yourself. If you want to go for toilet break, please do so. We'll start sharp at 2 o'clock. All right? All right, we'll start sharp at 2 o'clock. Yes.
When I'll stream just like this?
Yes.
It's only this?
Yes.
Oh.
All right. Some of you guys have been wondering why the coin options is so little. So you see, as a good trader, you don't trade a lot of coins. You only trade coin with good volatility. All right. I understand crypto, we have a lot of meme coins, right? Like 100x, 200x, 500x. Those we are called gambling. The differences between Profirm and other market product is we give out capital. We give out capital. So when we give out capital, we wanted everyone to profit together. All right? So we don't go like all those meme coin and stuff. All right?
You started trading competition?
Yes. In 30 seconds. In 30 minutes.
Okay.
Ya, segini kan 30 minit lagi.
Yeah.
30 minit lagi. Okay? All right, no problem. 30 minit lagi. Jap. We all stuck together. 2 hours. No, you can go anywhere. But you have to come back for prizes. Sorry? It's okay. You can use your mobile data also. Okay. Yeah. Yes. So a lot of you guys might be thinking, do you have to stay in this room for 2 hours? Not necessary. That's the best part of trading. So one of the reasons why myself become a trader, because you can trade anytime, anywhere, without any restrictions. You don't need to be on laptop 24 hours. You can just open your trade, take your laptop, take your iPad, go around, mingle around, chit-chat with people, put an alert, do whatever thing you want to do. You don't need to sit there. We are not working employees. The best thing of trader is all about flexibility, all right? So make sure you guys can hang around, walk around, okay? Enjoy yourself, all right? So we have more people from outside. Is there any way we can ask them to come forward to the room? All right? For those who are still registered, after we register, you guys can come in, have a seat, enjoy the breeze. It's hot outside, so the aircon here is good. All right, enjoy the breeze. Ask any questions if you want. Connect to your Wi-Fi, make sure everything is working. All right, are you ready, Didi? All good? You can short, you can long, 30 minutes to start. Yeah, we'll trade for 2 hours. We'll start sharp 2:30. 2:30. 2 will start as a welcoming. Everyone will be late. They will have their toilet break. They will have their things to do. Yeah. You guys have to be grateful because this is day 2. What do I mean by day 2? Day 2 means we have lesser people compared to day 1. For those who are very persistent here, the prize is rewarded to you. All right, the prize is rewarded to you. Anyone here basically in Bali, live in Bali, born in Bali, live in Bali. Anyone here natively from Bali? Oh, everyone is from everywhere. Jakarta? Oh, banyak ya Jakarta. Do you guys went to Indonesia Blockchain Week? Oh, perfect. I think they have similar competition, right? Yeah. So I think FundedXYZ is the only platform, if I'm not mistaken, is the only platform across all the events. We are the only one who are giving up capitals for you to trade. And in the end of the day, the amount of the account that you can get whatever profit you can get, all right? Okay, guys. If you guys want to have some water, okay, you can get some water outside. Okay, just make sure you don't drink too much. Otherwise, you have to go to a toilet break, That's always the market will move. All right, welcome to everyone that just came into the room. Just make sure you can connect to our Wi-Fi here. Make sure you have a stable internet speed. All right, make sure your account is ready with $10,000. We actually start the competition all at once together. For 2 hours, you can do whatever thing you want to do. If you want to try it out, don't worry, you can do that. Or later on, we actually can pass the mic on the floor to ask questions to our KOLs or our founder as well. All right? So enjoy your first experience or second experience, because when you have the first best experience, we'll see you again in any platform, especially in FundedXYZ. All right? Where are you from? Sorry? sorry. Indonesia have too many islands. I only know Medan, Jakarta, Bali. Oh, later we'll give up. We have another game. Sorry? Oh no, the game. Yeah. Today, wherever comes to the room, is fighting for the prize. Yeah. Let me show you. All right. Because someone asked me, like, how much funded account or how much capital they will FundedXYZ give to the squad leader or the top prize. I can't give you the exact number. I won't speak it out, but I'll show you in a quick glimpse. All right. In 1, 2, 3, you can have a quick glimpse only because this is some secret we are not supposed to show until the prize giving ceremony. So the grand prize or the top one will have this amount of number 1, 2, 3. All right. Yeah, as mentioned, as FundedXYZ, what we are looking into is skill trader. If you have skill, we have the capital. All right. So if you can trade very well, we can provide the capitals. As that easy. All right. Unlike other platforms or whatnot, we really want to build, educate, train a good trader, so that we can profit together. All right. Right. First and foremost, let's welcome again to all the participants that just came in. Just make sure you scan the Wi-Fi, use the Wi-Fi provider so that you guys can have blasting speed on the trading terminal later. Maybe you guys are not noticed about that. When you join the competition, did you guys select any squad leader? Do you guys select any squad leader? Can I get a hands up from squad leader Aries? Anyone is from squad leader Aries? Don't know? No? Anyone from squad leader Muras? There's one here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Okay. Why we have squad leader? Okay, that's the thing. So some of the squad leader will be sitting next to you. I don't know. But some of the squad leader will be the panel leader. So if you are their squad leader, you see, squad leader are not permitted to trade. Okay, squad leader are not permitted to trade. They are supposed to guide you how to trade. All right. They're supposed to guide you how to trade. All right. We have also squad leader named Andy. Anyone from Andy squad? Anyone here from Andy squad? Or maybe from outside? All right. We have Unaptor. Anyone from squad Unaptor? Right, wait a minute. I think I actually speak out a lot of squad leader. So which squad are you in? Do you know which squad are you in? You are from? Oh, Michael. You know Michael personally? Oh, perfect. Which squad are you in? Bunkit. Oh, where's Bunkit? Wait. Oh, Bunkit. Oh, all right. Huh, Bunkit. Now I know who has the most fan here. All right. Because I can only see like 10 people. Like, which squad are you in? Andy. Oh, you are the Andy squad. All right. Which squad are you in? Siapa tadi nama? Ada Andy, ada Bunkit, ada Aries. Ada New Nepto, Muras. Oh, Muras dari Malaysia. Oh, ini squad Malaysia. Dia orang mana? Mana? Jogja, Indonesia kan. Oh, tapi kenapa squad Malaysia? Oh, banyak loh. Squad leader tu banyak loh. Ini squad mana?
Squad gue Andy Chung.
Andy, you know Andy? Do you know Andy? You are from his member? Cool. Don't worry, Andy cannot trade. I know Andy is good, but Andy cannot trade. So you have to trade on behalf of him, you know. If you win, Andy win. All right. If you win, Andy win. All right. Which squad are you in, brother? Which squad are you in? You have no idea. Don't worry. You will know later. All right. You will know later. All right. So for those who don't have squad, let me give you a very simple introduction. We have like 9 squad. We have Muras from Malaysia. We have the rest is all from Indonesia. Because we are in Indonesia, of course, we will focus more on Indonesia. All right, we'll focus more on Indonesia. And yeah, and if let's say you have friends that not able to join today in Coinfest Bali, we do have an online competition as well. So later for them, if you guys can, share with them, ask them to experience it. We are giving out everyone a free 10,000 account, non-withdrawable to try it out. All right, we do have online competition and offline competition. Online competition, we are giving out $1,600 only, not much, because here, in this event, we are giving out $5,000. All right, $5,000. Okay. All right. So can I have a quick check on the registration? Are we still having a lot of people queuing up? And can we ask them to come in? Yeah, can we ask everyone to come in? They can scan the QR code to come in and whatnot, All right. So, guys, come in. All right. All right, everyone, make sure when you click join competition, don't click the join competition because that is for online. All right, that is for online. All right. Yeah, make sure you guys read properly. Do not join online competition. Because online competition will only give out $1,500 worth, all right? When you guys are here, don't click online competition at all right? Don't click online competition at all. All right? Make sure you guys, the moment you go into the website, press the center terminal. Wait for the timer, all right? Make sure you guys press the center terminal, wait for the timer, all right? I saw some participants outside here. I think they are exchanging strategies. I think they are trying to fight all of them. Don't worry, because you guys are in an air conditioner room. I think you have a better mindset than them. Outside is hot, sweaty, so they make a lot of false judgment. All right, okay. Okay, guys, you guys can sit down. Find a place to sit. We are going to have 2 hours competition, So you guys are gonna stand for 2 hours. All right, cool. No problem. All right, okay. Are we still having more people from the outside? So now the time is 2:14. Don't worry. Even though we start late, we will start on time, we'll start on time. The market doesn't wait, all right? The market doesn't wait. Yep. Okay, expecting another race. All right. So for your kind of like convenience and informations, the reason why we choose this time, there's a reason behind it. All right. So we're actually crossing from Asia market to London market, and that is where the volatility begins. Yeah. So if you are a trader, you don't need to trade anytime. Just choose your time. Whether you are staying in the US, the Europe, wherever time zone you are, definitely there will be a time for you to suit yourself. If you are a night owl, you can trade at night. If you are a morning person, which is not me, you can trade in the morning session. If you are, somehow chilling right now at this moment, you can trade an afternoon session. Afternoon here means, Asia is closing. And then London is coming. If you are night out in Asia, you can trade the night session, from 10, 11, 12, But if you are in US time, which is Malaysia and Indonesia time, which will be midnight as well. That's the best thing about trading. And usually traders do have one problem. Let me tell you, every single trader have one problem. Capital issues. Am I right? Are you guys trader? Are you guys trader? Do you think that you have capital issues? What if someone will give you like 100,000 account? Do you want it or not? That's the thing. As a trader, as long as you have skills, capital is always be there. Capital is always be there. That's why we are here. We are trying to provide funds for traders. That's why we hope traders to win as well. All right, guys and girls, come have a seat. We have a lot of empty seats here. It's gonna be 2 hours of competitions. All right, make sure grab your seat, sit tight, and then yes, enjoy yourself. All right, team. Is there any way we can faster the process to make sure everyone come in? Make sure everyone come in before we can start the competitions. So some of you might be thinking, what if you don't have laptop? Don't worry, in FundedXYZ, our platform, there is a trading view integrated on the mobile apps. You can just click on the top right corner. Top right corner, you can actually press, there will be a chart there. Yes, and you can expand it out to be a full chart. You don't need a trading view. We provide this for you, so everything is happening inside here. All right? So you can place your order here, do things that you want to do here. All right? Is everyone is ready with 10,000 account and your timer is about 13 minutes to start. All right, 13 minutes to start. All right, get ready. We have seats here. You guys can have a seat. You guys can have a seat, have a seat, have a seat. All right, have a seat. We are starting soon. All right. Yep, all right.
You set the pace, 'cause I'm not thinking straight. My head's spinning around, I can't see clear no more. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, love me like you do. Love me like you do, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, love me like you do. Love me like you do, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? It was just the lovers sitting in the car, listening to Blow and falling for each other. Thinking orange sky, feeling super childish, a villain Glover. Just got from my mother. Like, where you at tonight? Got no alibi, I was solid with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radio beam in the night. I
All right, all right. It seems that we are 10 minutes away while waiting for everyone to join in. Because we have some registration issue because a lot of them haven't have an account. Their registration account, and then we have some Wi-Fi issue as well. I think we just passed to the technical team so that they can get the Wi-Fi here as well. Anyone experience any slow Wi-Fi in Coinfest outside? All right, cool. Then I just want to know that we are really slow outside because it's not other problem. All right, no worries. Chill for a while. All right, chill for a while. And then, all right. Is there anyone from Malaysia other than Kao? I know him. All right. Other than Kao. All right. Anyone else from Malaysia? Or we have others. All right. Anyone here from Indonesia? Like Indonesia, raise your voice. Right. You guys are in your base, man. You know why I asked Malaysia first? So that Malaysia people don't take the throne from Indonesia. Am I right? Am I right? So if they want to take the throne, go back to Malaysia and take the throne there. Don't worry, all right? In Indonesia, we hope everyone can get something from here, all right? Okay, throne or whatnot, doesn't matter. The prize, we are giving up to top 30. Top 30. So we actually wish everyone has something to take back. But of course, we can't give everyone because we always want to reward the best of the best, all right? So are we ready? All right, okay, we actually got some feedback from the tech team. Some of you guys might join online competition. Okay, listen to me, guys. If you have joined online competition, later when we start the competition, all right, if you see your prize pool is not the same, immediately register a new account. And join the offline competitions, all right? Remember to join offline competition. Don't worry. If you guys are confused, don't worry. I'll guide you step by steps. All right, we are here with you. So before everything else, all right, since we have 10 minutes left, shall we go for the rules? Like what kind of thing you can do and what kind of thing you can't do during the competition? Because every competition, when we have prizes, we have some basics rules so that everyone follow and it's fair for everyone. All right. So can I have the slide of the rules? All right. Right. Can I have a slide of the rules and not the Wi-Fi so that everyone can listen to me? Right. Very simple. Everyone right now, pick up your phone. Right now. Right. Make sure there's 10,000 inside. Am I right? All right. Make sure you have 10,000 inside. If you do not have 10,000 inside, immediately find our team members so that we can solve this out for you. Right. So the rules is pretty simple. There's only one rules, which is no rules. All right, there's no rules. If you're happy that you want to go all in long, yes, you can go all the way long. If you want to go all in short, you can try to wear all the way short. But I recommend not to do that. All right, I recommend not to do that. Why? Okay, let me tell you why. Because if you go immediately long, if you lose the account, you have to wait for 2 hours. All right. We will show you some statistics later, some very fun thing later. Can we have the screen that we can show them the leaderboard? Okay, can we have the screen to show them the leaderboard? All right, okay, see this, all right? Later, okay, listen to me, everyone. Okay, this rank is not correct. Okay, this rank is not correct because we have 5 minutes before we start, all right? So later, this screen will be shown here. When you start trading, the moment you start trading, you can go to your dashboard and there's a ranking page there. Make sure your ranking page, the first one is 1,000 because we are giving out 1,000 US dollar to only people in this room. So if your ranking is not 1,000, means something wrong. Okay? To fix it, easy. Immediately, scan the QR code, register again a new account using Google. Okay, we don't mind you have like tool. Okay, immediately register and make sure your ranking is on 1,000 price on the Prampian. Are we clear? Are we clear? Are we clear? If we are clear, can we have a clap of hands that we can know everyone is okay? All right. Just make sure. Okay, if you accidentally join online, it's okay. It's okay, but the price is way lesser. If I'm not mistaken, for online, we're only giving out like $300. So it's either 300 or 1,000. So make sure when you click on your ranking, make sure you are on 1,000. So all the top leaders, the top traders, their name will be here as well. So we always will show this screen. Okay, see this. We have this ratio by coin and trade log. The reason why this thing is hidden here, so that I can block you guys so that you guys can see properly. But we will have to know everyone, either we are long or short. So this is some insight for you. If you don't know what is it, don't worry. I'm not going to answer for you. I will have the CEO, the KOLs to answer all this for you guys. All right? Is there any questions on your account before we start the competition? The reason, yes? Can we have the mic for the audience? Yes?
Sorry. Sorry, this is for trading competition. Do FundedXYZ to get the until 3 RD price too? Only 3?
No. We are giving up top 30. Yes. All right. Okay. This is good. This is a very good question. Are we only giving prizes for top 3? No. We are generous enough. Our CEO is generous enough giving up top 30. As long as you are the top 30, you get something. You might be thinking, what if I'm not top 30? Don't worry. If you are not top 30, after today, check your account. I just negotiated this with our CEOs. Okay, the management team decided everyone should take back something today. So if you are not top 30, don't worry. The surprise will be on tomorrow. All right? If you don't have that surprise, if you don't have anything, contact support. Don't find me. All right? I will be disappeared. No, I'm kidding. So the team actually prepares everyone some prizes. Whether you are top 30 or not, everyone gets something. All right? But listen to me. Okay, listen to me. If you are top 1, if you are top 1, this is the prize, man. Anyone would love to get $1,000 worth of account. Okay, I have to say something like this for 2 minutes, all right? Okay, don't think this is 1,000 account. Because 1,000 account, $1,000 in FundedXYZ, you can own up to 10,000 capital to trade. And you have balance. All right. If you need to know more information, don't worry. Find any of us. We can explain details. But right now, we are at 2 minutes before we start. I'm not gonna invite our CEO yet. All right. I'm not gonna invite our CEO yet because I'm gonna leave the best of the best to him later. All right. We are at 36, 35. All right. 30 seconds. Any question before we start? Yes. Any question? Any questions? Yes.
I want to ask about the P&L calculation between each team, each squad. I mean, how does the calculation is created?
Right, a lot of people are asking like, where's the VAL, where's the order book from? Trust me, the best liquidity in crypto, we are using the order book from Bybit. So if you want to use TradingView for advanced charting, go for Bybit chart. Go for Bybit chart, the price is almost the same. All right, we are starting now. All right, everyone, go to your dashboard. Make sure you're actually seeing 1,000. You are seeing 1,000 in your account. All right, you can see here we have a lot of people are shorting, man. A lot of people are shorting. All right, if you see red color means short. So we have people shorting BTC, we have people shorting Doge, we have people shorting. Whoa, yeah, we have more. All right, cool. All right. Yes. Let me know. All right, you go for. Are you connecting to the Wi-Fi? Yeah. One moment. Can I get someone here? Yeah. Just make sure you are in trading terminal and then you can trade in there. Alright. Just make sure your ranking is at $1,000. Alright. I know Matt, slow down for a while, alright? Okay, this is exciting because we have a lot of people are shorting Bitcoin, which is very opposite from you. Okay, back in 2 months ago, our CEO actually tell us to buy Bitcoin. Keep on telling us to buy Bitcoin. So right now, everyone is shorting Bitcoin. All right. So take a seat. Everyone find a place, take a seat. We're gonna invite our CEO in a short while to share with you why you shouldn't short your Bitcoin. Which, well, all right, okay. Okay, guys. I'm not a very good KOL. Don't listen to me. I said don't short, and everyone now is longing. I'm not responsible on all your profit and losses. you can share with me your profit. All right. Oh, we have people are profiting $82 in like what? In a split of 1 minute, man. What? This is incredible. And you know what? And that guy is here. His name is Muras. All right. Don't worry. You guys have questions for him later. Don't worry. I'm gonna ask him a lot of tough questions. All right.
Now change.
Oh no, Bankit. It's from Bankit. All right, Bankit. All right. Okay, cool. Okay, this thing is running. Make sure your price pool is 1,000. That's the most important thing. 1,000 is your ranking. If you are not in 1,000 price pool ranking, find our team right now or scan the QR code to register a new account. Make sure you are on the right leaderboard. All right? Make sure you are on the right leaderboard. Okay? Any more questions before I ask our CEO to deliver? It's not a speech. I can guarantee you it's not a speech. He's gonna share with you something I would say very interesting. He asked everyone to buy Bitcoin at 60,000. I didn't listen to him. I haven't bought my Bitcoin yet. So let me invite Matthew from FundedXYZ CEO to deliver what is he doing right now in FundedXYZ. All right?
Thank you, Potato. That was wonderful. Look, I'm going to be really quick today because everybody wants to see this and nobody wants to listen to me talk. My name is Matthew Simpson, Matthew McGregor, better known as. I'm from FundedXYZ. I've been a professional trader for a decade. I've run my own trading groups. I've had Discord groups. I've had the whole thing. The biggest thing that I found, well, I'll just talk about myself for a second, if I will. The biggest thing I found was when I was working with doing my education and training with all my traders. I had a large community, 10,000 people in my community. The biggest thing I found was not a lack of talented traders. Look at this room. There's a room full of talented traders here. The biggest problem we found was a lack of capital. Everyone knows it. Everyone knows it. So this is why we brought out FundedXYZ. It's to give the best traders in the world, or even just casual traders, the capital. Because I believe that trading with our capital is actually a safer way to trade than any other way you can trade. So let's go into it. FundedXYZ. Matthew McGregor, founder. That's me. Next slide, please. Do I have the clicker? Can I get the clicker? Or... Well, first of all, I just, again, like to say thank you so much. A special thank you to David Justin. They're our biggest partners out of Malaysia. They have been absolutely instrumental in putting this trading competition on today. They're my dearest friends, and I hope to meet all of you and establish the same kind of relationship that I have with David Justin with anybody in this room. I think there's a big chance to grow, especially for our KOLs who are looking to, you know, support FundedXYZ to their communities. Is it this button right here? Here we go. Okay, every trader knows this. We all know this, as we're all traders in this room. We all know this. You made the right call. but your account size was too small. I mean, how many times have you been right, but it didn't matter? You know, I always say, if you make 10% a week, you're the best trader in the world. You're better than any hedge fund in the world. You grind out 10K or 10% a week. But if your balance is $1,000, you're making $100 a week and you can't live off that. If your balance was $100,000, well, now 10% a week puts you in rare air. Another thing we all know, you had the edge. You study technical analysis. You know everything. You've got using AI algorithms to train your bots to execute the best trades. But your size is too small. It's the same thing. We all know what it's like to be too small. We've all been there. And then you blew up an account. How many people have blown up accounts? It's a huge problem because you're trading with all of your money. You were good for years and years and years and years and years, and then one bad trade, you lost everything. Painful. Much better, and much safer to trade with our capital. That's why we have this. We fund you to trade your capital. You keep up to 90% of what you make. So imagine you have a $100,000 account and you trade, you pull out your 10%, 90% of that is yours to keep, 10% is mine, because it's my money. All right, this is really important. We have had this year alone, $6 million in payouts. $6 million of verified payouts to users just like yourself. All proof of withdrawals, all on the blockchain, all on the website, verifiable. We're the only crypto prop firm in the world that has verifiable payouts on the blockchain listed so you can review it yourself. You can see it right here. A total of 4,133 individual withdrawals settled within 24 hours. No delays, never been late. It's our own promise. It's all on 100% on-chain, public records. You know it. It's very, very important. The best thing, I think, the reason that I love crypto prop trading more than Forex trading or any other type of asset trading is because of the 24-hour market. We all love trading Bitcoin because of the 24-hour nature of it. It doesn't matter if you're in Mumbai or Turkmenistan. There's a market available 24 hours a day to you. We have at the moment over 3,000 traders, registered active traders on FundedXYZ, and we've just started, guys. We are the fastest growing prop firm, crypto prop firm in the world. It's been absolutely insane. We've been getting 60% growth per month in users. It's just blowing up. But we've mostly been, as it stands right now, in focusing on the Asian market, particularly the Southeast Asian market. We think that that's a very, very lucrative market for traders, particularly because they're so fanatical traders. They're excellent traders, but they also are emerging markets and don't have access to the capital. That's where FundedXYZ has come to bridge the gap here. We've come to offer the Southeast Asian market, and we'll expand further, but the capital that they need to achieve what they need. Way to get funded with FundedXYZ. There's Y mode. Y mode is your traditional type of prop firm. It's you take a challenge, and after you pass the challenge, you get funded. Now you can use that account for as long as you want. Keep grinding out profit over and over and over again. It's a traditional prop firm setup, and it's offered to you by FundedXYZ. We have Z mode. Z mode is a really interesting concept because the whole challenge is the challenge. Like, that is it. You don't get funded at the end and then you can continually use that funding. It's like a 4x position. So you take the challenge and any profit you make is 4 times the amount you would have made if you weren't using FundedXYZ. It's like an accelerator. But the most exciting new product we have is Z mode. X mode is really something. You get instant funding. You skip the challenge. This is a game changer in prop firms in general. Rather than having to wait to prove yourself and to pass a challenge and potentially fail, quite a few times before you pass, you skip the whole thing, go straight to a funded account, and now you're trading with real capital. I think about as X mode as like you're taking on 1,000x leverage position that you can now spot trade with. That's just an insane way to think about it. You're 1,000x leverage from your initial capital to your capital that you're trading with, but you can now spot trade with that capital. Nowhere else offers that kind of risk-reward ratio. Instant funding, up to 90% split. this is really crucial as well. There's no time limits. I have seen other prop firms offer an instant funding mode, but it's all conditional. You must achieve 3% a day for over 5 days to get your payout. Your payouts are once a month. We can do instant payouts. We have had friends from the group here who signed up for FundedXYZ yesterday, and then today they pulled out $400 something. 1 day of trading on X mode, and they can't believe it. Just a 24-hour turnaround. Crazy stuff. That's what we do here. Now, this is the even more crazy benefit of X mode. This is why I really, really love this product. Every time you pull out 10%, you start with $10,000. You pull out 10%. That's into your hand 10%. We raise your capital by 20%. Okay? And you go from all the way through, you can build up your account to $100,000. You go from a junior trader, a pro trader, elite, to an aura trader. That's what we all believe we are, aura traders. At aura, you are keeping 90% of the profit that you make from a $100,000 account that you started at 10K account with. Insane ratio, which you're just spot trading with if you wanted to. Up to 5x leverage. That is just, it's just unbelievable. I won't go through this again. You get the point. $6.1 million verified withdrawals, unlimited withdrawals. You can just keep grinding over and over and over and over and over with the same account over and over. The rules don't move. We don't change the goalposts. It's just there for you to do. This is what I want to finish with. This is really important. You know, if you trade on, if you're trading on a leveraged exchange, the whole dynamic of the exchange is they want you to fail. Because every time you bust your account, that's money in their pocket. FundedXYZ is the exact opposite. I don't make any money if you fail, and on X mode particularly. If you fail, I break even. That's not what I want. We want traders to pass because I take a profit from your profit. And I want everybody to make money over and over and over and over and over and over again with my money to make more money for themselves. That's how we make money. We are incentivized to have you pass it. So this is not built, like a lot of prop firms are built to have you, the only way they make money is you to fail the challenge. Well, we've offered X mode that skips the challenge. We want you to be funded, we want you to profit, and we want to profit from your profit. That's what we've built FundedXYZ for. It's going to be a wonderful day. Who's going to win the trading competition? Who's going to win? I just want to know. We've got a few, you can't have a few hands, there's not going to be one. But we'll say you're going to win. You got that Doge hat, that's got a good chance of winning there. All right, and last question. We're off script now, but this is very important. Who thinks the bottom of Bitcoin is in? Who thinks that? 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's the 4, maybe 4. I'm surprised about that. I have been calling the bottom of Bitcoin for about 4 months publicly. You should have listened. Thank you so much for today. I wish you all the best of luck, and I can't wait to work with you all in the future. I'm Matthew McGregor from FundedXYZ. Thank you, guys.
All right. Thank you so much, Matthew. Thank you.
Potato.
All right. Please keep in the stage first. All right. Because I just told everyone I wouldn't let you all down. All right. Is there any questions for the CEO? Okay, forget about like all those unlimited withdrawal, like no profit, no time trading, 90% profit, all this good stuff. Is there any like trick questions? Like the thing that you always want to ask, like to the CEOs, because today we have the CEO that is very rare. Okay, he stay in Japan. Yeah,
I live in Tokyo.
And Bali, I don't think it's a very suitable time for him, you know. And any questions for him? Any questions for him that you will really need to ask to answers, you know, so that you get the most confident, like why should I choose FundedXYZ before we move to the leaderboard? Because wherever ranking you get, whatever profit you make, it doesn't really matter if the capital is not big enough. All right? Is there any questions? All right.
Sir, so which coin you holding now?
I'm Bitcoin only.
Oh, is that another coin you holding now?
There is not another coin I'm holding now.
Okay. Thank you so much.
I have a YouTube channel called the Financial Summit. You're welcome to join it. Myself and Tone Vase, you might be familiar with Tone Vase, a very, very famous legendary trader from Wall Street. We've been doing a show together for a few years now, and I go on 5 nights a week, so you're welcome to watch that. I sold all my Bitcoin publicly at 107. Said I will not buy back until I get what I call a weekly green diamond on the alphanumerics indicator that I built. And that green diamond came in at exactly the bottom, and I publicly said, this is like 4 months ago, I'm all in, 5x leverage long. Well, that was a long 4 months of being like, exactly like every single week it touched my price, it was up and down, up and down, up and down. And there was a joke on the show, I felt like I was in the Truman Show, that my price was so relevant to like where it kept going. And then I woke up yesterday morning and I was 90% up, and I think today it's even more so than that. So that was the largest trade I've ever made in my life. Actually, it was a monster of a trade. So drinks on me tonight. Oh well, this is on me tonight. So.
All right, for your information, all right, for your information, before the next questions, all right, for your information, our CEO Matt, he's a trader himself. He built communities. He built his own indicator. He do live trading publicly. Are you still doing that right now as well?
Yeah, I traded.
Yeah, he still have time. Don't worry. All right. He do live trade publicly to everyone. That is, for what I say, a skillful and also a smart business owner.
Well, we had a conference just like this, an esports trading competition in Malaysia about 2 months ago in the David Justin's office, and I did a whole chart analysis there, and I showed every time I've bought and what I'm buying, and the price was still at about 60,000, 62,000, and I said, you got to buy here. If you're not buying here, or at least starting your DCA from here, you're going to be remiss. And it was just like this. Who's at the bottom's in? 2 people in the room put their hand up. That's always the way, right?
No worries. If you guys have any more questions, Matt will be still around. Am I right? You have to be around, right? I think a lot of people actually grab you for more questions, like what kind of indicator you use, you know, why 60,000, and then right now it's like 75, 74?
76.
Yeah, you know, 76, you know, is that the top yet? Go question him, you know, individually or privately, all right? Can we have the last questions?
Sir, why hold only Bitcoin?
I'm sorry?
Why hold only Bitcoin?
Well, you know, I've been trading for a decade now, and when I started trading, it was back in like 2016, 17, like when I started trading crypto. That time I was into like Cardano or whatever. I bought it at that point, but now that I've like accumulated wealth, I'm not trusting those risky assets anymore. Now I've scaled back my trading over time, where I used to trade like ferociously, like I was a real degenerate. I was the degenerate trader maybe in the world, right? But now that I've accumulated enough capital, I want capital growth and capital preservation. So that's why I raised cash. I've done one trade in 12 months, which was when I closed my Bitcoin account at 117 and bought back at 63,500. And I believe I can ride that for the next 2 or 3 years up to 200,000 and maybe make it.
All right. Thank you so
great
much. All right, if you guys want to grab more opportunity, all right, Matt will be still around here. I don't know, you know, I think he's the smartest in this room. Correct me if I'm right, all right?
I can barely read. Don't worry about that.
Right.
You don't have to be smart to be good.
Yeah, all right. So you guys can grab him anytime, anywhere around this area. And he loves aircon, all right? So he loves beer. So
Let's see the leaderboard. I want to see who's winning.
We have the leaderboard on here. Whoa! Wow, we have Team Muras from Malaysia.
Hey.
Wait.
That's not fair. Michael Saylor, he can't be.
Who is that Michael Saylor? Who is
Michael Saylor?
Okay, this is not right. You see, Muras is from Malaysia, right? Where's the people from Indonesia? Where? Don't worry. Let me see. From Muras is from Mr. Frog. All right. Okay. Don't worry. This is unrealized. Means he haven't taken profit yet. So don't worry for people from Indonesia, from other squad leader. All right. Okay. Don't worry. The market might reverse in a while.
It's a long competition.
All right. Thank you so much again.
Thank you guys.
Mr.
What a pleasure to meet you all. Thank you so much.
All right. Okay. You see, while our competition is still ongoing, we have 63% long. Do you guys want to get more information from Muras, how his trader managed to get champion temporary right now? Anyone interested to know how Muras trade? Anyone would like to know how Muraz trade? You know? You know? You don't know? Anyone want to know? Raise up your hand, just raise your hand. Anyone? Do you want to know how Muraz able to get? Because what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna force him to give a trade call. Alright? This is the thing of like go big or go home. It's either go home to Malaysia or stay in Bali, you know, the kind of thing, alright? Right. Other than that, let's welcome Muraz on the stage with us so that we're gonna have some, you know, that's like kind of like chill chit-chat talk while we have the screen on the back. You guys can still look at the leaderboard while listening to us. Alright, Muraz, come. Alright, we have Muraz from Malaysia. He's a Malaysia trader. He's a content creator as well. He started a lot of businesses which I don't really understand. You guys can ask him later. And then up next, alright, we have Aries. Alright, Aries right now is on the first one. Am I right? Oi, Muraz, kan? Datang sini dah jadi dah lah. Kali kedua dah. Alright, welcome Aries. Alright, Aries is the founder of Metaverse, also multi-asset trader. Okay, alright, have a seat. Okay, by all means, Aries started to trade since 2017. Yeah, 2017, and right now we are at 2026, almost at 9 years, man. So definitely professional trader. Lastly, we have Josh. All right, Josh also is a trader. Josh also is a trader. Traded since 2020. Am I right, Josh? Right. Okay, you see, Josh might look timid. Okay, Josh might look timid. Trust me, he's not. All right. Of course, before I start everything, let me reintroduce myself. My name is Potato. I'm your MC and your moderator as well. I only in charge of MC and moderator. If you need like what's the market insight, don't find me. We have Josh here, we have Aries here, and we have Muraz here. All right, cool. This is a good time for me to have a seat. All right, you see in the room, dekat sini, we have more than 150 to 200 traders trading live right now. So we are unpacking what trader actually do and analyze before we go into the trade. Like how you build your edge, managing your position size, or surviving volatile market. And I would love to stress unvolatile market. I think we only have movement 2 days ago, right? Like we're gonna discuss more like how you survive where Bitcoin is like stable coin. Alright? Okay? Kita mau sesi ini sampai santai tapi padat dan berinformasi. Alright? I hope my bahasa Indonesia improve a bit. Hopefully everyone can understand. If I can't, okay, I have to apologize in the first place. I try my very best. Alright. Let's start a 60-second to 90-second like self-introductory sections. Alright? Can we have Muraz first?
Hello, test one suara. Hi guys. My name is Muraz. I'm from Malaysia. I love Indonesia. Sahabat baik, kita serumpun. Hello semuanya. So my name is Muraz. I do content creating. I also a small trader in Malaysia. I also do a small business and everything like that lah. All the things I do is related to cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. Yeah, that's all.
That's not all. Okay, he might not want to speak. Don't worry, I'll help your question later. All right, next we have Aries.
Okay, GM everyone. GM. So yeah, I'm Aries. I founded Metaverse.id, a trading intelligence platforms, trading since 2017. Right now, a multi-asset traders. So, but not only crypto, I also trade CFDs and futures as well. Yeah, if anyone here haven't joined the squad yet, join my squad. Let's win this.
Yeah, let's win this.
Let's win this, guys. So,
anyone from Team Aries?
Yo. No one.
You see, no. You see, Team Aries, I think they hide behind the scene because they don't want them to know they are Team Aries. Oh no, you see,
Wait.
Team Aries, 15% in what?
Wow.
In like less than half an hour, man. Give a round of applause for Team Aries, man.
Let's go, Gary.
Yeah.
Where's Gary? So yeah, I think for intro, that's all. Yeah.
All right,
Thank you.
cool. Lastly, but not least, Josh.
Hi guys, my name is Josh. My full name is Josh Gultom. I have a YouTube channel. It's about 348k subscribers at this point. I'm very proud of that. I've been trading since 2020. It's since COVID when everyone's trying to make money, quick bucks. And then I learned about crypto at that point. And then, yeah, right now I'm here. I'm still trading. I'm still investing in Bitcoin. I mainly trade only in crypto. I don't touch any other asset. Maybe a little bit on ETF, maybe a little bit on stocks, but just, you know, just for fun.
Cool,
Just
cool.
to be able to see the market more clearly. That's it.
Alright, so you see, Muras here, if I'm not mistaken, because personally I know Muras. Muras started trading I think since 5-6 years ago as well.
Yes,
So
correct.
all our panel, all our invited guests here, most of them have more than 6 years. Because Josh started 2020. Yeah, so
2020.
we are not ending 2026.
They're seniors.
Yeah. No. In trading, we don't call everyone seniors. It's either you survive or you quit.
yeah, sure,
Right.
yeah.
It's either you survive or you quit. And then we have 3 of them actually last more than 5 years. And imagine that you are doing something which is profitable for the last 5 years and all the way until the 6 years. So this is the top trader you guys should listen to, all right? Let's give a big round of applause for them for maintaining profitable for past 6 years, all right? Let's give you a applause, all right? All right, I just have a quick question for Josh, all right? Like what kind of risk, you see, last time as in like 2 months ago, the market was like dead, you know, not moving. But last 2 days before Coinfest, it come from what, 63,000 to right now like 75,000. Ethereum go up like what? Now all the different coins have different kind of like arrangements, such a volatile market. Before the market start or before you actually trade, what's the 5-minute thing that you do? In 5 minutes, what will you do?
Before let's say I want to take a trade.
Yes.
What 5 minutes I've been
Yes.
doing before taking the trade? Usually it's not 5 minutes, more like days before I take.
Oh, more like days.
I trade in a long term, like in a long period of time.
Long period of time, all
So I
right.
make big bet and then just wait for it.
All right.
For the last couple hours, like when we pumped like a lot, I've been doing like DCAing quite aggressively when we were like below 70K until 60K. So I just buy the dips all the time. I've been saying to my community, like, don't stop buying at this point. This is cheap. Everyone might be saying we maybe go to 30K, 20K. I think those are bullshit. Just buy right now. It's quite cheap. Like, this is very cheap. Like, you cannot miss this. I cannot say like, if you buy a lot of Bitcoin at that price of point, it's not stupid. It's not a stupid move to do because it's quite cheap. So if you ask me like 5 minutes before taking the trade, I don't do that. I wait before it happens. So I keep doing it
So
straight.
basically, you analyze every single day. You have everything in your head. So whether it's 5 minutes, 1 minute, it's all in your head because you always prepare for it.
It's
All
like,
right, that's good.
I think the bear market is not like you have to see the chart every single day. It's more like you have to be prepared when the chart goes up like yesterday. So
That's
you have
the-
to prepare.
That's the thing that I tell everyone. As a trader, we don't need to see chart every day. So speaking from me, you might not trust me, but speaking from Josh, we have the same thought. All right, now it's 2 points, you know. All right, thank you, Josh. How about Aris? Like before you enter any setup, can you give everyone here like 3 points of checklist? What they need to do before they enter any trade? Just 3, not much, just 3, so that they can understand better.
Actually, before trading, like I open my PC, and then I see the charts bullish. I just go long max, and then that's it.
Oh,
I'm
so-
kidding. I'm joking. So no. So the 3 checklists, right? The first one is of course the fundamentals or macro, like the bias, whether I go long or short today. So yeah, everything in the macro and the geopolitics, like is this bullish today for the risk? Or it's risk off, those kind of things. So that's the first one, the first checklist. And then the second one is I go into the technical parts, which is the technical analysis, whether the chart is actually on my area of interest to actually long or short. So yeah, that's number 2. And then the third one is of course the risk management part, so the executions part. So okay, now I know where to buy or where to short the markets, and then next is just okay, how much do I risk for today on this area? So yeah, I think that's the 3 checklists, and then that's just execute whether the setup is go or not.
it looks simple. Let me summarize. Only three things. First thing, macro and bias. Okay. Second thing, technical. Third, risk management. Well, this is not hard. I thought you're gonna have like more checklists. I think this is all of it. All right. If you guys want to know more, like in details, remember to grab him. I think there's much more than that. You know, it's not just that simple, isn't it?
It looks simple, but the execution part is not easy.
Yeah. All right. Everyone, just take this in mind. 3 points. All right. Macro, bias, technical, risk management. If you master these three, you are like Aries. All right.
Let's go.
All right. Okay. It's like Bitcoin. What about other coin? And this is the question especially designed for Muras. You know. So Muras, how are you differentiate between like low liquidity altcoin, which is full of manipulation? How you distinguish whether they are really like people are going in and buy or a fake move, you know, for altcoin?
Yeah, we see a lot of fake moves for last few months, right? So for me, if you want to detect that fake move or real move, very simple. For me myself, I just use volume. At first, if the breakthrough is if the candle is breakthrough very strong, then following with volume, very good volume, that's mean good that there is not a fake out, there's a real move. Second, I will filter about a follow through. So we don't want only one candle make a breakout. We need a second candle also break out. Then that's mean a real move. Seem like you see last 2 days for Bitcoin, right? Very strong move, volume go, follow through, candle also go. Then after that, that's mean good. And lastly, for sure, the breakout or a real breakout is by sentiment context. So everything now based on fundamental also going very good. Surely right now is a very good time to enter the market lah.
I have to speak on behalf of the audience. This is, I think, too technical for you. Let me ask a quick question and an easy question. All right, what is the next coin you will buy?
Let's see. Yeah.
Is there any like wait list or the kind of coin that you will look into before you actually make the move?
Yeah, technically because of this is my third cycle in cryptocurrency, so my position is very simple. 70% of my position all the way to Bitcoin. Same like Matt. Surely.
Alright, 70%.
Yeah,
no,
70.
Matt is like 100%. This is 70.
Yeah.
So means he has some trade secret. I'm gonna drill it all in.
Yeah.
Like, what is the next coin that you will buy?
Yeah, the next I will focus for futures trading, or I will go to alpha coin, something like for me myself, because of I think that hyperliquid I already late to the game, so right now I'm choose lighter.
Lighter.
All in lighter, bro. Yeah.
Okay.
I buy a lot of lighter.
This is the point that you should pay very good attention. Where Muras say today, 21st of August, he'll buy lighter. All right.
Not today lah. You need to deal all the cycle.
Don't worry. I'll ask again this question the next time I meet him. Alright. If you guys want to know whether like Muras buy his lighter, you guys can follow Muras social media, which is MurasX. And because he is a content creator as well, you guys can follow him and ask him, have you buy lighter? Have you buy lighter? Ask every day. I think there's be one day that he will let you know that he is. Alright. But Aries is actually in Discord, isn't it?
I'm sorry?
Is your channel in Discord?
Yes.
Yeah, right. And then Josh is in YouTube, right? All right. So we have content creator from Instagram, TikTok, we have from Discord, and we have from YouTube as well. Also in Discord. All right. So everyone can find them in their social media. If you want to know more of them later, you guys can have a chit chat as well. All right. So right now, before I go to next session, is there any questions on the floor? Is there any question on the floor while we switch this to the leaderboard? Is there any question from the floor before we switch to the leaderboard? Any questions? Any questions? Yeah.
I have a question, and it's open to all traders. What is the most memorable trade you ever had? Whether it was the biggest loss or the biggest gain? Is there one trade that, I know for me, there's like a couple of trades that I've made 10,000 trades in my life, but there's a couple that just stayed with me because they were bad losers or they were incredible winners. Do you have any that have stuck with you throughout the years?
Yeah, there's one for me. I was trading in a DEX at a platform. I was long on Bitcoin at 120K K or something. It's quite top, right? And then I was okay with it, and then I fall asleep. I forgot to put the SL.
Holy shit.
It blew my account quite big for that trade, but yeah, that's all right because not all my funds are over there. But it's painful, but at the same time, it's a memorable and a funny joke at this point.
They're the lessons that stay with you. Like if you blow up an account like that, which we've all done, they're the times you're like, well, I'm not going to do that again. And that's how you can become successful. I agree.
I will never sleep again if I have that kind of position.
How about you boys? You got any
Is there any memorable moment?
My first trades actually. So yeah, which is Bitcoin trades. So
You're a romantic man, aren't you? I bet you remember your first everything.
so it was I believe Bitcoin trade. So yeah, just buy. I'm not a trader, so I'm just what is this? Okay, let me try. So I opened the trades, and then it went up to like a 19k, almost 20k. But in 2018, actually, it's a round trip. So like it's my first and like what got me hooked into the trading space. So yeah, my first trades, the 3 to 20k, but 20k to 3k. So it's actually the actual round trip.
Just the roller coaster.
Yeah, so that's my first bull markets and my first bear markets. So yeah.
Good answer.
Yeah, for me, the most that I cannot forget is the last cycle, 2023 to 2024. During that time, I 100% want to long Bitcoin at spot. Then I buy a lot of Bitcoin during that time. 16, 70, 80k, I buy a lot. But during that time, my ego at futures, I do against my main position. I do short. Then during that time, I think that Bitcoin pump something like you see for a couple days like this, up. I lose almost 100k plus during that day. I feel so bad. Yeah. So that things is my worst and my most memorable things in trading lah.
That's a good point, and I'll just jump in for a second because I'm the same. I don't remember the winners. Like the winners just become nothing. I remember the painful mistakes. Every trader who's in this room today, if you're new or if you're old, you'll have to experience that. I hope you don't. But the good ones who have had a long career, they've survived that experience. So thank you for your answers, boys. Well done.
Thank you, Matt.
Matt, no, Matt. What about you?
What's yours?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you see, the CEO is asking this question for the panel, but what about your story,
Yeah, I mean, I don't lose, so. No, just that. I've got a million of those stories. A million of
like the most memorable.
The most memorable for me was actually a winner because I remember it so distinctly. I put on like a 10x leverage trade. It was about $20,000 Bitcoin, and Bitcoin jumped just phenomenally. In 20 minutes, I made 40k in 20 minutes, and I closed the trade. I was pretty new to trading, but to make $40,000 US in 22 minutes or something, I was like, holy hell, this is nowhere else will I have this opportunity to do that. And I just became addicted to Bitcoin. I've got a million losing trades, trust me, and a million winning trades, but that one sparked something in me that for like a country boy from Australia to make 40,000, like an average yearly salary in 23 minutes, I was like, this is for me.
All right. So you see, Matthew profit like 40,000 in 20 minutes. Don't worry, because we have the leader. Oh shit. We have the champion. Within 40 minutes is 4,000, man. So all right, you see. I'm not sure how much our CEO is actually putting up in capital, but with 10,000, it's like 4,000.
Insanely
It's like
impressive.
40%, man. And he's from Team Aries. The thing is, I think that's the question I would love to throw back to Aries. Like how? Because Matt just share like 20 minutes, 40,000. But right now at this room, Aries, how is your members making like 4,000 is what in 40 minutes as well,
I don't know, bro. Who's scary? Who's scary? I want to meet you, bro.
All right. So if you want to know more how our CEO man actually made 40,000 in 20 minutes, grab him. Grab him. You don't need to
Okay.
sit on the chair.
Just to be clear, I didn't do anything. The market went bang. And that's a big lesson to learn as well. There's an expression from Nassim Taleb. He wrote a book called Fooled by Randomness. It's a very average book, but the expression stayed with me. You can be good and you can be lucky, and make sure you know the difference between the two, because a lot of people have been very, very lucky, and they're not here anymore. So.
They can't replicate it anymore.
Yeah, they can't replicate it. All right. Yeah. It's either to be good or to be lucky.
It's good to be both.
It's already, yeah, that's the thing I want to say. Like, why not both? You
But
know?
make sure your ego understands the difference.
All right, all right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the insights.
Thanks,
you know,
boys.
yeah.
Thank you, boys.
Yeah. I think we learned something as well today. We have the long-term trader will always win because you are playing long-term. You have a big picture. You have like day buyers and what else, you know. Where Aries, 3 checkpoint, very easy. And then Muras always have different shade odd coin. If I can show the chart, I would love to show the chart. But look at your chart in the FundedXYZ website. We have the chart for you. Look at the chart right now. Can we have the leaderboard switch? All right. You see, this is the question which is not scripted at all. I'm gonna ask from the panelists. Right now we are balanced from the right side. We have 49% of them longing, 51% of them shorting. So in this like balance, if I want to win the market, because everyone want to win prices here, like what kind of advice you should tell them? What kind of advice? You guys might not see that because I purposely hide behind, right? Because they can see it. They are seeing people like opening long, like adding short and whatnot. So they have all the insight right now. So if I give you only one thing, you can only do red color short or the green color long. Which one we will choose? Now we are 50-50. Doesn't really matter whether which one you choose, but based on your instinct, you know, based on this, not charting, all right? No charting. Sorry? All right, can you yeah, okay. So this lady is asking, can we close the position? Of course you can close the position. The moment you close the position, that's your profit, all right? So back to the questions, like, which one do you prefer? It's not a decision, it's not advice. Like, based on this, which one you prefer?
Yeah, for me first, I think I choose green.
Choose green, all right. Muras choose green. Aries?
I choose green as well.
Choose green as well. Josh?
I choose long.
I choose long. You see, one of the simple tricks as a trader, why long always win? Because in long term, long always win. Am I right?
You're right, yeah.
Yeah. As long as you pick the right entry price, long always win. Yeah.
Long always win.
Long term, long always win. That's the tricks. In long term, long always win. As in, like, if you don't want to play futures, spot, long always win. As you hold your bag. Am I right? Yeah. Cool. Like, is there anything that you can comment where we have like unrealized? Because you see, all of them is all unrealized. Means they haven't closed their position. So if you don't close your position, I'm not sure whether they are doing long or short, all right? Let's say at this moment, they are longing or shorting, right? So what kind of advice you should ask them to do? You see, all of them not closing position, you know? Like 5,000, 3,000, 2,000. Like what if you are Gary? What if you are Gary? You are holding 5,000 unrealized. Means those money are not yours yet. What will you do? Aries.
If you are in long, just huddle.
Just huddle.
Huddle. Just hold your
Just
longs
hold.
until the events.
Until end of the event.
Yeah,
All right.
I think just longs, bro.
So
Let's go.
from Aries, if you are profiting, you are, let's say you are the top 5 of top 10, you have profit on your hand. Aries suggests you is hold your long until the end of the event, which is gonna end in about 1 hour time. All right. How about Josh?
Because this is a competition.
Yes.
I would say maybe secure some profits just so you can stay on the top. Because I don't know what will happen just in an hour, right? It's only 2 hours of a competition.
You see, this is what happened when just now when I introduced Muras, his team was top because he didn't take profit. That's why right now he overtaken. Right now, I'm not sure where. It's actually, I think Muras is still on top 10. top 10, but he made realized profit. You guys might not be able to see, but Mura's team is making the profit. What Josh actually recommended.
exactly.
Yeah, it's actually getting profit.
You guys are taking profits actually.
Yeah. How about Muras? Is there any challenge that you want to throw back to Mr. Frog? Like, do your best. You know?
During the competition and normal trading.
Sorry, Muras. I have to cut you off. You see, I think a lot of them actually listen to Josh. Look at the chart right now. Look at the chart right now, man. I think a lot of them listen to Josh.
So discount as a financial advice.
That wasn't a financial.
That was a financial advice.
Wow.
Alright.
Gary just realized the positions for 6K. Wow.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we have Team Punkit as well.
Wow.
Realize the position. You see, the advantages of the panelists, which is not on the stage, they were like, you see, faster do this, faster do that. You know, like come Muras. What kind of advice that you want to give your team right now? Now the strategy changed, you know. Now, oh no, okay, I have to skip a bit. Okay, you see, Muras is at here. At number 4, we have LV Rauhawarin from, I don't know from where, now it's at number 4, man. What kind of advice that you want to give for him?
So like this, normal trading is a totally different things between competition.
Yeah, exactly.
So for me myself, if right now you are number 1, then just secure the profit. But if you number 2 or number last, just go all in, bro. Just make sure you're able to get number 1. Yeah,
you see,
that's the only things you need to do for next 1 hour. Let's go, Timuras! Whoa!
Okay, I have to stress on the word that Muras said. This is the competition, not normal trading. In competition, we have one goal. What kind of goal is it?
Only number 1. Let's
Only
go.
number 1. Right. So for Muras, the slogan is go big or go home. All right. So Aris, do you have any slogan for your team? So Muras decided you go big or go home. Aris, now you are the throne. You know, you're the champion right now. Do you want to stay like stable, conservative, or go big?
For Gary, we're gonna win, bro. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. Just do your thing. I believe in you, Gary. That's all. So,
Right. Josh, you are coming up, man.
Yo!
You're coming up. Oh! Hey, let me ask. Is Mini here? Who is Mini? Mini. Who is Mini? Okay, you see, that's the thing. Usually the top trader, they shouldn't usually show themselves. But I bet he's listening to Josh right now. Josh, what happened? Top 6 right now.
The same thing like Mura said. If you are number 1, maybe you can hold it. But if you are like number 6, maybe mini, you can even more aggressive at this point. I don't know.
Yes, that's count as a financial advice also.
Yeah, but of course it's competition, right? You're not using real money at this point because if it is a real trade, man, take us some profits. It's more like 40% of your portfolio.
Yep. So if it's a real trade, take your profits.
Take your profits. That's crazy.
But we are in competition. Who don't want number 1, man?
Yeah.
Who don't want $1,000? You can give it to me. All right. Anyone on the floor, you would love to get this $1,000 prize pool. Raise up your hand. $1,000 prize pool. Okay, no, never mind. We saw winner here. We saw 1, we saw 2, we saw 3. Don't worry. There's only 4 people. So only 4 people want top 1. So are you guys want to get top 2? Anyone? Do you guys remember the first one who landed on the moon? Anyone here know? The first astronaut land on the moon. Do you know who are there?
Someone that Armstrong. You know?
Someone Armstrong. Do you know the number 2?
No. No one can number 2. Let's go number 1.
Is Team Muras ready for number 1?
Yeah.
No. Is Team Muras ready for number 1?
Yeah.
That sounds like it. Is Team Aris ready for number 1?
let's go!
Right. No. Is Team Josh ready for number 1?
Hey,
Oh.
I don't know. Come on.
You see, people in the room right now, you guys might seem calm. Look outside. They are like discussing, debating, but they forget. The top of the top is on the floor, man. Is there any questions to the panel? Is there any questions? Any questions? I already asked the hardest one. You guys can go easy on them. Like any questions for them? Any questions?
Yo, Muras,
Yo, bro.
where are we eating after we get the $1,000?
Anywhere in Indonesia. Let's go.
Let's go!
That's a good spirit. They are not thinking about profit. They are thinking how to spend the profit, you know? All right, cool. Any questions for Aris? You see, three of them, they are very busy looking at chart. Mind you not, they are looking at chart. They are fighter, man. They are on the panel list, listening to me. I'm not sure whether they are 100% paying attention on me or not, but I'm
100%, 1000%, bro. 1000%, bro.
No, I'm sure they are 100% committed to their members. Because ever since three of them sit here, only Muras are chill. I'm not sure whether it's on the surface or not, but three of them keep looking at the phone, you know, and they are trying their best to analyze. I don't know what kind of thing they analyze because Josh told me you do long-term long, you know. Aris told me 3 checklists. And Muras told me breakout, we have volume. I don't think we have volume now, you know. Yeah, like normally, like let's say kind of thing, what we are doing right now, this is trader life. We can live our life and we can trade with our life. Do you agree with that? Like, can I ask some kind of like question not related to trading? Like, what do you want to achieve other than trading, Josh? Like, what you want to achieve in 5 years' time?
All right, that's a very great question. I make YouTube videos. I talk not only about trading, right? I like to change people's life, like how they can manage to level up their self. Because I just met someone from here, from West Java.
West Java.
East Java.
You have to forgive me. In Indonesia, I only know Jakarta, Medan, and Bali. All right.
Someone from East Java who's actually barely making money. A few years back, after he watched my YouTube videos, he learned about AI, vibe codings, and everything. Now he have a lot of clients from international clients. He's making really good money at this point.
All right,
just
perfect.
because he got inspired by watching my video.
Oh, thank you
I would like
so
to
much.
make a lot more people to be inspired just by me making videos. I think that's awesome.
Oh, that's good. You see, top trader usually don't care about profit. They have a strong mission. What's your mission, Aris?
Currently, I'm building MetaFlows.id, right?
Yes.
This trading intelligence platforms. So yeah, my goals right now is just to build this platform as big as possible and can help as many users and as many traders as possible. So yeah, leave a good legacy, I guess. And then probably with the XYZ programs comes to Indonesia, yeah, we can make something big as well here in Indonesia with MetaFlows. So yeah.
Okay, for your information, there's a reason why Aris team is currently, I have to say the word currently on the top. If I'm not mistaken, Aris just withdraw from X mode. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just testing, bro.
Yeah. He just withdraw from X mode. Just from the CEO. He just told me that Aris just make a profit from X mode. I was like, wow, that's fast, man. Yeah. So yeah, good. Yeah. All right. Good. Perfect. Muras, how about you? In 5 years' time, other than trading, not jadilah trading like chat. Okay. What about the rest? What you want to achieve?
For me, myself, or for my community?
For you and for your community, of course. Because I know whatever you do is for your communities.
Yeah, correct. So for me, myself, for sure, I just want be a truly free and achieve freedom in terms of money, for sure. They say if you have a $5 million, then you put somewhere that can generate 5% a year, then that's gonna be good for you. That's this purposely my goal. My goal for my community is very simple. Right now you can see difference between Malaysia and Indonesia is totally different things. Right now in Indonesia, everyone talk about crypto like just very normal thing. But in Malaysia, specific for Malay market, that's very small. So I think that maybe this year's, for next 5 years, I will work super hard to make sure that every Malay in Malaysia know about Bitcoin, know about cryptocurrency. I think that is my goal.
Aris, do you want to expand your territory to Malaysia? It seems that Muras just said that the Malaysian market is huge, it's untapped, you know? You want to try to go, Malaysia,
It's okay. We can be partner, surely. Yeah, we can win together, bro. We can win together. The cake is too big to myself. Yeah.
All right. You know why I didn't ask Josh? Because Josh is doing YouTube, and Malaysia do YouTube as well. Yeah. Aris, maybe you can start with YouTube as well instead of Discord. You know, Muras is doing like TikTok and also IG. You know, and Josh is doing YouTube and also IG as well, right? Yeah. Aris, do you have any other public social media that you?
Actually, I'm active on Instagram and X.
Instagram
as
and
well.
X, yeah. All right.
At Aries Yuanga, you guys can check. And if you are on my team, just send screenshots and I will follow you back.
Oh, perfect.
For any of my team.
You see, that's the best thing of community. The reason why we actually selected, like, you know, invited you guys as our panelists, I think because we value the same thing as our company core value. We value user and we value community as what you guys are doing. That's why I think we can have a very good synergy where we can work well together, give it a try, and then just propose to us. Because in Indonesia, to be honest with you guys, FundedXYZ is very new. Unlike Malaysia, we have been operating for more than 1 year. But in Indonesia, well, perhaps you guys have more voices. I think one of the feedback that I actually get is, when is FundedXYZ have their own apps, isn't it? So is Indonesia everyone is using apps?
Most likely, yeah.
Yeah.
Mobile phones, yeah.
Mobile phone apps, yeah. So Indonesia, most of them are using laptop or like iPad or whatnot.
In Malaysia or in
in Indonesia.
I think most people trade all in phones.
In phone.
Yeah, all mobile apps. Yeah.
All right, cool. Like, how do you think about the current apps? All right, I'm gonna block Matt for a while so he won't be able to listen. All right, so is there anything that you can tell me? I can convey a message to him, no worries, like where we can improve, or like, do you think it's good to use, nice to use in our app right now?
Currently, if I've been trying, I've been using the XYZ app, the website. If I draw a chart, lines and everything, maybe I can give an input that whenever I reopen the browser,
The chart
again,
remains.
Yeah, everything that I draw still remains.
Perfect. I'll take that in note. All right, no worry, I'll take that in
That's
note.
my very first input.
All right, cool. Aris, is there anything that we can improve from the website? Because what Josh actually mentioned, that he actually wanted, like, we can save the chart that he drew. The next time when he come back, it's still there. How about you?
So when I try and I actually execute, right, like as you said, I also request payouts and then get payouts from the FundedXYZ. Thank you.
So this is not sponsored, by the way.
Yes, no. I'm not actually affiliated with FundedXYZ. I'm not part of the team. I'm just a trader and users. Yeah, I request payout and I actually trades. I think one thing, my simple feedback from me is to actually order limits more than one assets. Like currently, when I try, I can only just limit one assets. Like For example, I want to long like BTC and ETH on certain levels at the same time. I cannot do that right now on the FundedXYZ. So I think, please.
I think
just add this feature.
I can answer on behalf of FundedXYZ because I asked the same question as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I asked the same question to the race team as well, because from them, they actually wanted to limit new traders so that they don't overtrade. Because from their experience and their data, a lot of traders actually limit and they forgot. And then when all limit enter and all will hit stop loss together, it's called liquidation. But this is good feedback. Probably we can improvise. We can improvise like how we can limit more order, or we can do like limit or cancel, that kind of thing. This is good feedback as well.
Yeah, at least like three limit maximum.
That's good. I think I have one question for Aris as well. Like, how about the withdrawal process? Because I think you just withdraw your profit, right? Like, is it fast, or is there any obstacle, or is that is it effective enough for you for withdrawal?
Yeah, I think it's really quick, bro. Like I do KYC, right? The selfie and all.
Yeah.
And then I request payouts, and then hours later I receive emails like with the certificate. Okay, you get payouts. Just
like how long
hours.
is it? Hours,
yeah,
not days.
not days.
Hours.
It's
All right.
hours,
This is
yeah.
hours. All right. This
To-
is from
to-
Aries, not from me. All right. This is from
Ours
Aries.
to the FundedXYZ wallets, right?
All right.
But I haven't tried to actually withdraw from the wallets to my own wallets.
All right. Try
So-
that and let us know. Let us know. All right.
But I asked
It's within a
the
day.
CS, right? The CS told me that it's around 1 to up to 5 days. That's the maximum
Yeah,
days.
yeah, yeah.
So yeah, I think
Because from my experience, is within 48 hours from wallet, no, from profit to wallet. Yeah, from profit to wallet. Let's try that. Let your members to know and stuff like that. So this is the thing that we're trying hard to build because we know a lot of problem take days, like 14 days of review, 38 days of review. We're trying to speed up the process.
yes,
Yeah,
please.
Yeah, let us know. All right. How about Muras?
So I think I already tried the apps. Super good. Even right now you see 100 trader trade within the same time. Everything goes very smooth. Everyone can open the position. Everyone can close the position. Good. But the things that I do really want is I do believe that trading journal is a part of trader, part of the success trader. So maybe within all the data that you have, then you can make some dashboard that specifically to improve that trader. Which is you can record all the data like open sizing position, like win and loss ratio, then all the things that if the trader watch the dashboard, then he say, oh, so technically I need to improve on this side and this side and this side and this side. I think that's good.
I think they implemented some analytic as well on the dashboard. You guys can check it out. Yeah, there's a insight as well. Yeah, so that you can see how good you are trading and whatnot. Well, I think that's a good feedback, especially from Muras, Aris, and Josh. Definitely, I think the team will be able to capture that. If not, I'll follow up. Don't worry. Yeah. Hopefully, we can get more feedback so that we can improve as well to suit more users. All right. So that's why, as I said, everyone are very focused on trading. Let's look back at the leaderboard. Right now, still the throne is go to Aris team, which is from Gary. And then we're from Bangkit. We're from Bangkit, which is what, like very near. And then we have from Michael, Andy, Muras, we are under 5th. Josh at 11. Oh.
Go Josh, go.
Josh, you're 11. Is there any word for Mimi for you? Any word?
For me,
Yes.
yeah, they tried.
That's right. Don't worry.
It's okay. It's a competition.
You know what? You know what Josh gonna do?
But if that trade is actually like in real life,
Yes.
that's crazy.
That's crazy. It's like within an hour we have what, like 1.5K?
10%.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
10%. That's crazy. That's crazy. Imagine you have like 100,000. Like 10% is like what? 10,000. I'm not sure like how much Indonesia is making per month, but back in Malaysia, a normal salary worker work about like probably like 1,000 to 1,500 US dollar, and they made within 1 hour, and that is the beauty of capital, right? So for any new trader who joined the crypto industry, what's the first advice? Now we have become serious. Before that, we are talking about comments, suggestions. For new traders, we have a lot of new traders now. We have a lot of new traders here. What is the first advice for them before they start trading? Yes.
Oh, okay. For new traders, I would say that you will get wrecked a lot. Like you cannot be a profitable trader or even a long-term investor if you have never tried or have experienced how wrecked felt like. Because if you cannot survive a bear market, and let's say you put long and you got wrecked, not all your portfolios, but let's say majority of your portfolios got damaged. The art of investing and trading, I think, is on the surviving part, not only on profiting. You have to endure the negative side. You have to endure the volatility. Just embrace the market. That's how it works. So if you got wrecked one time, that's okay. Everybody feels it.
So what Josh is saying that keep your bullet and survive.
Yeah, and
wow,
survive.
that's a good one. How about Aris? Only first advice, like before they start trading, only one advice.
Join a really good community. That's
Join
it.
a very good community, which is Aris, I think so.
Which is Metabolus. Which is my
I think 3 of them here actually provide a very good insight Yeah, very good insight. And then you guys can prove them wrong if you think they are wrong. Join their community, test them. Make sure they are that right, you know. Muras, how about you? Only one advice.
I think you need to learn first. I know that if you are new, you are fucking pumped, right? You want to try to make money and everything. But trust me, you need to chill first. You need to learn first. Like I already said, learn from a good community, good trader and everything. You learn first, then after that you can earn, surely.
Okay, I can summarize. If you want to start first, go to Muras, chill first. All right, after you chill, get a good community from Aries. All right, and then come to Josh to know what you can do.
Yes.
Wow, that's the gist of the panel, man. This is awesome. This is awesome. Like in total, we can just summarize. Go to Muras to chill, get some coffee, sit on the beach, which Muras loves the most. All right, then come to a good community. Then go to Josh. All right, go to Josh because Josh knows how to survive, and survival mode is always the best thing ever. All right, I think that is the end of this panel. It's very, very good insight and a good sharing to everyone. Let's give a big hand for three of them to Josh, Muras, and Aries. I think I'm gonna let them down on the stage so that they can actually provide more insight privately to every one of them. Thank you very much, Josh. Thank you so much, Aries. All right, thank you, Muras. Now you can look at your phone and go to your community. I know you can't wait for it to fight for the champion right now, before we move forward to the next session. I just want to showcase a bit on the leaderboard. All right? So you see, right now, we have Gary. Gary on the first place, fighting with Bankit, which is on the second place. You know, just now we are talking about Aries. The reason why I want Bankit to be on the stage up next, because I'm gonna question him, how he can help this MC9394 to overtake Aries. All right. Okay, I'm so sorry. It's my fault. It seems that Punky is not on the stage right now. All right, because we're gonna invite different people. We have Andy. Right? Give a round of applause for Andy. Okay, you see, what Andy is doing here, he's a founder of Kotas Crypto. I'm not gonna explain Kotas Crypto because I might misinterpret. I'm gonna leave it to him. What is Kotas Crypto?
Okay, good morning guys. Thank you for coming to FundedXYZ Trading Sport. So first of all, let me introduce my name. My name is Andy. I'm founder of Kotas Crypto. Kotas Crypto is a crypto community that I make for my audience since 2025. So yeah, that's the Kotas Crypto.
All right, next one we have Michael. Is Michael here? Ah. I think Michael is the only panel who wears short, who fit the team in Bali. All right, Michael, have a seat here. All right. So Michael is a founder of Laba Lab. Am I right?
Correct.
Okay, what is Laba Lab? Because Michael haven't talked to me yet, but what I found, Laba Lab is for trader and creator. Am I right?
Yep, that's correct.
All right.
Laba is in Indonesia, in Indonesian or Bahasa is